I should be a savage. Who would've thought it turned me to a savage? Rather be tied up with calls and the strings. Write my own checks like I ran.
You ain't got no money, take your broke asshole!
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am back with another wig review, and today's wig, as you guys can see, like, I am hyped. Like, I am already on my bullshit 2019. Listen, so the wig that I'm rocking on my head today is the Sensationnel Amani unit, and this is the placard. I have this unit in a color 1, and I got it on Go Beauty NY. I believe it was $29.95. I'll put the link in the description box down below if you guys are interested in purchasing her. So as usual on my channel, I'm going to go through the specs, then I'm going to do my pros and cons. We're going to chat a little bit. You're going to subscribe because, I mean, why not? So go ahead and click that subscribe button down below while we're talking about it. I mean, since you brought it up. And let's go ahead and get started on this review. So this unit is a lace front unit. There are 3 combs. There's 1 comb in the back, and then there's 2 up here. Usually they're near the temple, but this time it's like up here near the parting space. This is like just a center part, so you can't part it everywhere, but you could like shift it if you wanted your part to be somewhere else. The texture of this hair, the texture of this unit, the hair on this unit is bomb. You know, I'm not a natural hair like expert, but if I were gonna compare it to something, I would compare it to like maybe, I don't know, like 3C braid out on pre-stretched hair, maybe 3C, 3B, you know what I mean? Like, or like straightened natural hair that's been braided, and then you just fluff her up a little bit, and then, you know, the Georgia humidity gets to you real quick, so it gets a little bit big. I'm getting Tracee Ellis Ross vibes from this wig, and I'm here for it. I'm here for it. I'm absolutely obsessed. I'll give you a close-up of what the hair looks like. So pretty. Definitely a yucky textured unit. I'm feeling the curls. I'm feeling everything about this unit. The hairline I did pluck a little bit, and I did add a little bit of powder, not a ton. There are some kind of baby hair around the side. Not a whole hell of a lot, but just a little bit, which is fine because I'm not usually like a big hair, I'm not usually a big baby hair person anyway, so that's fine. This unit is big. If you don't like big units, you're not gonna like her. I will tell you that I am hot. It's cold everywhere else, but my house has the heater on because it's cold outside and I'm hot. And I'm wearing this doggone sweater. But she is gorgeous. She's absolutely gorgeous. This is the length, and I'll show you the back. Very, very full. The hairline I can definitely get with. Like I said, of course you can't part it everywhere, but this is what you're getting in terms of like the side. And of course I didn't like put on a wig cap or anything. You guys know I'm a real lazy wig wearer. I'm not doing nobody's bald cap method. I'm not. I'm just gonna throw these wigs on my head and just make it do what it do. My cons for this unit, of course, are yes, it does tangle. It's definitely gonna tangle. You're not gonna be combing through her. This is gonna be like a fluff and go unit. You're not gonna wanna be brushing her. I would say as far as maintenance goes, when she starts to get bigger, to kind of tame that, you can of course use your fabric softener and water and a spritz bottle, kind of tame some of the frizziness. But of course, I mean, it looks more natural the frizzier it is. So I wouldn't really even mess with the frizz as much. I would probably just leave it how it is. It's absolutely gorgeous. Yeah, I haven't received any shedding with this unit. I have received tangling. Of course, she's a big curly unit. She's gonna tangle, and of course she's a yucky textured unit too, so you're gonna get some tangling there. So yeah, let me know what you guys think down below in the comment section. Sorry if I'm a little bit goofy today. You know, it's just one of those days, like I'm just feeling good, and then this unit was looking how she was looking, and I don't know, I'm in a really good mood today. So yeah, let me know what you guys think down below in the comment section. Give this video a like. Let me know if you think that Amani should be entered into the baddie ball, because I feel like she should be just automatically like honorary baddie of the beginning of 2019. She's the first all over banger unit that I am reviewing this year, and I am shooketh. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.